Alright guys, welcome back to Max Tack Motorsports. So today we're looking at a car that we fell in love with at one of our Cars and Coffee meets. And here she is right there. So this is Damon's. Now Damon, do me a favor and just kind of tell us what we're looking at here.
So this is a 1987 Pontiac Fiero in all its glory. It started off as a 2.8 liter with an automatic 3-speed. I think it made like 140 horsepower from the factory. I've had the car for 3 years. Since then, everything's literally been touched on the car. The only stock thing on it is like some suspension components. I swapped in a 3.8 liter with the Supercharger. This engine came out of a Monte Carlo SS.
Oh, nice.
I think it was in 06, I believe.
Okay, cool.
I also changed the transmission. It has a 5-speed Get-Treg transmission, stage 4 clutch, custom flywheel. The exhaust is fully done in the back here, you can see. Yeah,
no, it looks great. The tips look amazing actually on it.
And then there's a brace in the back.
Okay.
You can kind of see it behind the exhaust.
Yeah.
There's a brace back there. Yeah.
No, it's really nice, honestly. So, you mentioned the motor. So this thing's out of, we talked earlier about it. So it's an SS, Monte Carlo SS motor, and GXP motor, correct?
Yeah.
Similar sort of setup. So is that the stock supercharger on it, or?
Yeah, that is the stock supercharger.
Okay, nice.
The engine in there is, aside from the exhaust and other little things here and there, it's basically stock for now.
Okay, cool.
Next year I'm gonna get a smaller pulley headers, downpipe, cams, valve spring, everything.
Oh wow, okay, yeah, so it'll be built.
Yeah, this year's just kind of like breaking it in, I guess.
Nice.
And then next year's it's gonna be built more.
Oh, perfect. And then I remember we were talking earlier too at the meet about it. So the swap, as far as doing it, was relatively pretty simple.
Yeah, as with any swap, I guess. I didn't personally do it myself, but the guy who did it is known for them. I think I was like his 200th Fiero swap.
Oh wow, okay, cool.
Yeah, he's in Peterborough. His name's Dan.
Okay, nice.
But from what I heard, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to, he custom fabs some parts, so it works out. The biggest hassle was waiting for parts to come in the mail.
Okay.
Lots of delays and whatnot with that, but aside from that, you know, it was pretty straightforward for the most part.
Honestly, like you see so many guys who either throw an LS or they'll do a V8 carb or whatever, but to see something like this is pretty cool. And it looks amazing for many of the viewers here that don't even know what a Fiero is. This is one really clean one, hence why we're here for this video. Now just remind us again of the setup for the tires, the rims, and yeah, anything else you have on?
The rims are JNC something or other. I couldn't tell you.
Sure.
It's Hankook RS4 tires, 245/40 in the rear and 225/40 in the front.
Oh, nice. An 18-inch, right?
Yeah, 18-inch.
Okay, sweet.
Nice sticky tire.
Oh, they look so good on them. It's so clean, like, you know what I mean? The front over here, the trunk, I guess you can say, which is actually where the hood is, like the spare tire, everything. You could eat off of this, right?
Yeah.
So, and then, so you said for future mods, you know what I mean? You want to do a bit more to work, some suspension stuff. What's your like ultimate goal with it? Like, do you want to track it? Do you want to just have a nice hot rod for the street, or what's?
I want to track it and get it to as close to 400 horsepower as I can.
Oh, nice. That'd be healthy.
Then once that peaks,
nice.
If it's not enough for me, which I feel like 400 horsepower will be a lot in this car.
For sure, yeah.
But there is possibly future plans to add a turbo onto this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So,
oh, nice.
We'll see.
That's sweet. And like for myself, like I personally, I think the color is probably my favorite thing. So like, just tell us like why you got into the Fieros, what kind of inspired you to do it, and like, do you have anything that's your favorite on the car? And
so I've always been into cars. I grew up around like classic cars through my dad and whatnot. So it was always in my blood. I used to be like a big JDM guy.
Okay, yeah.
Big Euro guy.
Okay, cool.
But I was actually, I don't know, I just got tired of seeing people do up the same cars in the same way. You know what I mean?
Sure, man. It pays to be different, right? And I think you were saying too, your dad's got quite a hot rod himself, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's sweet, man. But yeah, no, I love it. It's one of my favorite cars I've seen for sure. You know, I mean, when I saw it at the one show, I knew I had to come see it more in person and get kind of a better feel for it. But yeah, if you want, like, what do you say we start up? Maybe get some sound clips if you want.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Cool. All right, awesome. right, guys, we're gonna give this thing a bit of a walk around as it runs. It sounds absolutely amazing. V6 supercharged, straight piped. Now, Damon, now let's just take a look at the interior while this thing's actually running. So, oh, dude, that's awesome. So these all stock gauges or no?
No, I replaced them all.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, they're all digital gauges.
Oh,
I mean,
nice.
not digital, they're all analog gauges.
Okay, yeah.
But most of them were pegged, especially after the swap.
Okay, cool.
So I put in digital gauges.
Nice.
There's a short shifter.
Okay.
Aftermarket steering wheel. I have some like interior mood lighting.
Nice.
And then I just have a gauge sitting here because the gauge pod hasn't come in yet.
Oh, okay,
so
cool.
I'm just waiting for that.
Now it's sweet. Do you know the brand for the gauges at all or no? Do you remember what they were?
It's a guy, he makes them custom. His name's Tom Sweet, I think his name
Okay,
is.
yeah.
Somewhere in the States.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, I just sent him an email. He asked what I wanted and he made it happen.
Dude, they're so clean. And not even that, like they go with that 80s vibe.
Yeah.
It looks so sick, man. I love the Grant wheel. Like that's such a definitely a GM thing for sure. A lot of guys throw the Grant wheels on Camaros and Monte Carlos and stuff like that. But now you were saying too, so it has sequential lights. You were saying, right, as far as the turn signals and stuff.
Yes,
so
yes.
yeah, if you want to fire them up, we'll take a look at them, see what they look like. Oh yeah, dude, there you go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's sweet. Of course, we got our pop-ups in the front there, eh?
Yeah.
You can't go wrong. Oh my gosh, and they both work. No winky faces over here. And these are all LEDs, right? Oh wow, dude. Oh man, that looks so sweet. Pontiac Fiero, baby. can't believe how. So, do you know who makes the short shifter or no?
What's this guy's name? I think his name is Rodney Dickman. He has a whole website like dedicated to like.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he custom fabs his own Fiero parts. And
okay, cool, cool.
Own, like small business.
Nice. Because yeah, it shifts like really crazy fast. And like literally just looks like a small little joystick going around, but
yeah.
And then for the viewers, as you guys can see, the gauge is a little bit better in here. And like, holy cow, do they look awesome. We got our masks too. Remember guys, social distancing. That's how we do it up here in Canada. Remember, we wear our either hockey skates or sandals here, but oh yeah, there we go. Dude, it pulls hard, man.
Yeah. Just trying to take it easy.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Dude, it pulls really hard, and if you guys can hear it on the camera, you can hear a little bit of the supercharger whine, which is nice, right? So, considering it's behind us,
yeah,
we have an absolute gorgeous day day right now. This is perfect weather for it.
Yeah, that was probably like just under 3/4.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice, man. And what do you run for cooling in it, actually? Is there anything?
Man. It's just stock.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Intercooler's going on next year.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, the intercooler for it's pretty cool because it goes in between the supercharger and the engine block.
Oh, okay.
And just it runs cool water through that.
Oh, nice, dude. No, that's sweet. Yeah, I really appreciate the interview and definitely the ride. And yeah, the more stuff you do to let us know, and we'll definitely do another video.
Oh, so, for sure.
But yeah. Oh god, yeah, definitely, right? So, but yeah, thanks guys again for watching another video with Max Stack Motorsports. Definitely check out Damon on his Instagram. It's an unreal car. Honestly, the video probably is not going to do it any justice, but yeah, and if you're in the GTA area and you guys have a chance to come out to any meets, make sure you come and take a look. So thanks everyone again, and take care.